This hazardous weather outlook is for portions of eastern West Virginia, northern and central Virginia, and central and western Maryland. Day 1, this afternoon and tonight. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing locally damaging wind gusts and large hail is possible through this evening. Days 2 through 7, Thursday through Tuesday. Scattered severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds and large hail will be possible Thursday afternoon and evening. Locally heavy rainfall with isolated instances of flooding possible Thursday afternoon and evening. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation is likely on Thursday. The 9 p.m. observations.
As you guys just heard, that was a pretty interesting hazardous weather outlook. I think tomorrow's gonna be pretty cool. What the frick? Is that this? Oh my, what the world? What the? Yeah, you can shut up forever. Okay, I'm just working on crap, waiting for this weather to come. All of a sudden, out of nowhere, this clear signal gets interrupted by. Yeah, I don't know what that is. It still on? Freak you. Yo, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? The date is June 2nd, 2022 on a Thursday. Yes, the May tornado season just ended. Oh, at least we got quite a few tornado warnings during that May tornado season. So that is probably one of our best ever on the channel, so yay! I'm actually recording this fairly early. It's like 10 o'clock. No, 11, actually. Yeah, 11:21. I mean, according to this, it's only 8 o'clock. But that thing is dumb. I also just got back from a 10-day vacation yesterday, so thanks to that, I barely have anything for storage on this camera, so I might end up having to switch cameras like halfway through the video, so that's just gonna be perfect. So yeah, guys, more severe thunderstorms are firing up. As you can see, look at that slight risk already. We are in this. Yeah, there's no tornado probability, but yes, the wind damage is up today. So yeah, I'm probably gonna say at least there's gonna be a severe thunderstorm watch issued today. So all right, I'll see you when something interesting happens. What? Oh! Who lives in a pineapple under the mesoscale? Discussion number 1013. Oh, frick you. Watch potential likely. Oh no, that's not good. Why is spot focus on? Frick off. I told you it was gonna happen. Spot focus! I told you it was going to happen. Guess we'll wait for the watch. There we go, baby. Severe thunderstorm watch number 303. I'm guessing that happened for all of these guys. Yup, here we go. let's go. Got it on this guy. For some reason this guy didn't activate, which sucks. But this guy definitely did. Old reliable. Alright, we in this too, so... Alright, hopefully they'll fix whatever the freak that noise is. It sounds like a weather station that you'll hear on an EAS scenario with that random whine in the background. Yeah, alright, I'll see you if something else interesting happens, because if not, well then that would suck. Sorry, this is stupidly hard to hear. Alright, and this is when the cameras started to unrecord. So, yeah, this is gonna be fun. Why did this stop? Why you no activate? this thing sucks. Wait, this isn't it. Is it? Yeah. Holy crap, this. Why are you making that sound? This signal is so bad, it can't even recognize a simple SBO. But that is cool though, that is my first unrecognized message I've ever gotten. Let's go! Hi! Oh my god, camera. Oh gosh. Excuse me, I didn't understand. They updated it. They updated the Good lord, what is this? Oh my god, this camera! Why? First it doesn't turn on when I want it to turn on. Now when it's recording, it just decides to stop. We're getting all the WEIR alerts today. What is this? Another unrecognized message, I'm guessing. Yeah, got 2 of them in a row. Let's go. This just added another county to the severe thunderstorm watch, so. Okay, screw this camera. I'm going to now be recording with old reliable iPhone 7. Yeah, okay. Oh, what's this? Oh my god, it's everywhere. What is this? Oh. Holy frick. Whoa! What's this? What is this? Severe thunderstorm warning. Where? Oh, finally. Nelson? Oh. Oh, now you come up, dumb freak. There's video. Don't go off. This is by far the weirdest severe weather event period I've ever had in my life. What in the heck? First of all, you just sound like you're having a stroke. Getting unrecognized message. I got 2 in a row. Ah! There you go. God dang! Where the frick is that? Wow! That is crazy. Crap, why do these cameras keep stopping? This is for the city of Charlottesville. It's heading towards us. Oh, crap.
I'm still leaking gas. It stinks over here.
Okay, I don't know what is happening with this transmitter, but it's going crazy.
We're in this right.
And this is getting crazy again.
That's why I got my helmet on.
What the?
I need WD-40 for my brakes and stuff.
Alright.
Oh, my helmet just committed suicide.
Oh, by the way, I know she's not on yet because for some reason she's not allowed to have her phone yet. She does. Say hi to Miss Leak again.
YouTube.
Alright, so Miss Leak is right there. Not showing her face because it's illegal or something. Alright, let's go outside and see what the is going on. Yeah!
It's gonna blow up now.
Whoa! Look at that. Can you see that? Yes, you can. This is so weird. Feels like I'm just talking to a wall. It's a profile that I can only hear shuffling of their clothes and they're not responding and I'm just acting like I'm having a conversation, which I'm literally doing right now. Yeah, it is just the first thunderstorm issued for Albemarle, and it's coming towards us, I think. Since you guys are further south, oh, hello, police. Yeah, let's go. I heard you breathe. So, you guys are further south of me. I think you guys are going to get hammered a bit more than we are. Whoa, look at that over there. Things are getting spoopy up in here.
It's a pterodactyl.
Now this is where stuff starts to get dangerous. Unbeknownst to me, a storm cell is heading straight for me, and already it was starting to cause power to go out. Oh, whoa! Power just went out.
Power went out.
I didn't like that. That scared the hell out of me.
Drop my phone.
Oh, that's not a good sign.
Let me make sure I've got power.
Okay. It just happened for a second, but that was weird. Oh, yo! It happened again. Stop it! See, my computer's freaking out as well. You shut up. Be quieter.
I didn't say anything.
Yeah, you better walk away. Yeah, just bring it to the checkout. What are you doing? Guys, look how it's... I mean, it's oh, nice truck. Guys, look... Oh, nice truck. Guys, look how it's like kind of cloudy, but like not too cloudy. And then look over there. Look how dark it is, man. Man, that's really picturesque in the back. Ooh, that's chill. Frick, dude. Okay, you got poor connection. I don't know what is. You see how fast it's moving up there? Oh! Uh-oh.
Hazard wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour at the inside field. Source, radar indicated. Impact, gusty winds knocked down small trees in Florida. Cured objects. Wind impacting handling of high-profile vehicles.
Oh, no.
Minor damage to outdoor objects.
Oh, hi. Go away. I don't care about you later.
Cello around 4:30 p.m.
Oh, no.
4:40 p.m.
Oh, no.
Roswell's Tavern around 4:45 p.m.
Oh, no.
Around 4:50 p.m.
Holy frick. Look at that.
Around 5 p.m. Other locations impacted by the storm include Dixie,
Oh, no. Oh, no. Holy frick, that's moving in fast. Oh my god, I'm actually starting to... As you can see, I'm frantically trying to call my friends because as you can see, there's this big old shelf cloud thingy above us. And it's just about to go over me. And I didn't even see that until I started seeing that special weather report with the 50-mile-an-hour wind gust. So now you can kind of understand why I'm a little shaken up by this. I mean, look at that! God. Oh crap, this is about to be awesome in a second. Holy shoot. Listen to it. Listen to it. Holy shoot. Oh my god. Guys, pick up! Oh no. Oh my god. Holy crap. This isn't good. Oh! Oh! Crap, it got my eyes. Ow. Oh, fuck! Get in my eyes! Guys, this isn't good. This is not good. Oh my god, look at it over there. Oh my god. Whoa. Okay. Guys, this is going to be near you in a few minutes. Get inside right now. This is actually getting very, very serious. Oh my god. I gotta get this video. Guys, there's 50-mile-an-hour wind gusts in this. I don't know if they said there was any hail or not. Oh! Crap, what was that for? I missed it! Why didn't this... No! Oh no! I missed it! Crap, that might have been for us! Oh my god. Oh, we're out of power. Are we? Why is the... Holy shoot. What was that for? Was that for us? Alright, I need to go outside. Holy crap. Is it even here yet? That was not even... Oh crap, it's starting to rain.
Yeah.
Dude, look at this. I was seeing some... Oh man, there it is. There's the main part of it. Dude, look. It was like a squall line coming at us. Yeah. There's the beginning of the squall line that went over us like 5 minutes ago. And it's gonna hit us soon. I'm actually a little terrified.
I would say if your house has a basement, probably get into it.
No, it's no tornado. Just there's gonna be 50-mile-an-hour wind gusts in this. Uh-oh. Okay, I need to... Oh, shoot, it's getting wet! Uh-oh, here we go. Here we go. Here's the rain. Alright, Miss Lee.
Oh, good God.
What? Oh crap, there's water in my camera. Whoa! Oh.
Oh, God.
Oh, okay. Yo.
I've got treetops sled. I'll show you with my hands. I've got treetops going like this.
Crap, I'm shaking a little bit, guys. Oh. Oh. He left. Alright, guys. We are with no power. I don't think I'm getting any updates. Yep, all that's gone. So that's just nice. Oh! Oh! Oh no, what's for this? Severe thunderstorm warning. Is this for us?
The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Appomattox County and central Virginia,
No.
northern Campbell County and central Virginia, southern Andros County and central Virginia until 5:45 p.m. At 4:38 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located between Concord and South Spring, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter size. Source, radar indicator. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Extent, damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Location of hazard, Appomattox,
Whoa.
damaging winds, as well as deadly clouds and ground lightning. For your safety, use interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. Locally heavy rain will quickly reduce visibility, resulting in roadways, standing water in low-lying areas, and underflooding of creeks, streams, and areas of poor drainage. Drivers are urged to slow down and use extra caution to avoid hydroplaning. When it is safe to do so, please submit reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any road damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Photos and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast.
Alright, my camera's just about to run out of memory, guys. So I'll take my final looks at what's happening. Alright, that's all I can have right now, so I'll switch to my phone. Hello. Storm is destroying everything out here. Oh, there was one issued for us. Oh, here's the one that issued for us. This one was probably one of the more difficult ones to film. I mean, we got bad signal still. Oh, what? Oh, wow. Wow.
At 4:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Appomattox, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Prospect around 5:40 p.m. Farmville, Jefferson City, and Longwood University around 5:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Kingsville, Rains Tavern, Bryan Rivers Lake, Tuttle, Gila, Reeves, Allenville, and Birchland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at Wakefield.
So much for bad signal, I guess. We had the power going out. We had unrecognized messages because the signal was so bad that we couldn't really pick up what the frick it was. We have the fact that I just went to Disney and I had a bunch of footage and crap like that. Alrighty, guys. If no other warnings get issued, I hope you had fun watching that and started picking up what. Whoa! Scheisse. Guess we still got a little bit more warnings.